What's up, everybody? Welcome to Repair Sprout YouTube channel, and in today's restoration marketing video, we're going to discuss lead generation for restoration companies, how to get started with lead generation for your restoration business, and how to generate more restoration leads. So all of that will be covered in today's video. So today's video is going to be perfect for people who want to start running lead generation campaigns for the restoration services, but don't know how to start. So before we jump in, I want to quickly invite you to join our Facebook group. We have set up a Facebook group specifically for business owners in the restoration industry to join and learn marketing, digital marketing. So everything from SEO, PPC, lead generation, absolutely for free. We have some free learning material inside that group waiting for you to check it out. So if you're interested, make sure to go into the description of this video. The link will be at the top and it says join our Facebook group. Make sure to join our Facebook group. And with that out of the way, let's dive right into the presentation. Alright, so what do you need to know about lead gen before getting started? So leads, I suppose you know, are qualified prospects. So you can tell that a lead has shown interest in your business or at least your industry in general because they had either handed you their contact information like an email address so that you can email them later on, or had directly called your business. To attract leads, you need to be the one who gives first, right? So you need to attract people by giving them something that they want. So you need to come up with an offer, often called a lead magnet in the marketing world, to have people coming in. So what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is a small product or service offered for free by marketers in order to get people into their business's ecosystem. So the goal of lead magnet is not to sell right away. So the goal of lead magnets is to attract people, to get people's contact information, phone numbers, email address. In most cases, it's email address, but phone numbers can also be used actually. So you may often catch your competitors. You may also be doing it yourself already. Offering incentives like a free quote or an inspection. These are called lead magnets by marketers. So, most of businesses in the restoration industry and other contractors, right? They're using a free quote like an incentive. But there are companies that I've seen that also offer a free inspection, so totally free inspection that a lot of other companies charge for. They're offering it for free to new customers, so that also tends to work very well. Now, these are not the only lead magnets you can offer. We'll get into that in just a second, but these are just some most known examples. Lead magnets allow you to ask for people's contact information in return. All right, so more often than not, people will hand you their contact info like an email or a phone number in order to be helped for free. All right. Does that make sense? If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below. Coming up with the lead magnet. So what makes a good lead magnet? An enticing offer placed in front of the right audience. So that is a good lead magnet. So there's no point in offering a product, even if it's free, even if it's the best in the world, to someone who doesn't need it or doesn't want it, right? So for example, a 10-page home cleaning guide during a pandemic could be enticing to a mother of three, but would probably mean nothing to a business owner. This is just a random example, right? So this is just totally made up, but I just want you to get a point. So this is just a random example that I've taught, but the point is there to be seen. So you need to figure out not only what will you offer, but to whom you're going to offer that product or a service. Let's discuss some lead magnet ideas. So here's some lead magnet ideas you can test. Free quote or an inspection, if you're not already doing so, a discount classic, and an info product. Now, info products are usually guides and how-tos. So these produce great results in the marketing world overall, but it's important to know that you have to think of the customer in this case and have a good understanding of how they're thinking, right? So what could be an example of an info product? So you could use the example we have mentioned like 2 seconds ago. So 10-page home cleaning guide. So that's something. One example. Another example could be, so let's say for commercial clients, so you may want to attract more commercial leads. So let's say you could offer something like a free step recovery guide, a business recovery guide, how to keep running a business after a disaster. So something like that, right? So this is just totally made up again. I made it up just right now, but I hope you get the point. So something that is of interest to a certain group of people, and therefore, and they have to be willing to at least give out an email address to get something like that. So it has to be valuable at least a little bit for them to give out their contact information to get that product or service. Now, just in case you like what you see so far, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps us see that these videos are in demand, and therefore it will motivate us to keep producing more of them. Also, if you need any help, make sure to schedule a free consultation call with us by clicking the first link or second or third link. It will be at the very top of the description, right? In the description, right? So of this video. So if you're interested in learning more about marketing, how we can help you market your restoration company, just make sure to go at the very top of the description of this video. We'll find a link that says schedule a free consultation, and you can click that link and schedule a consultation with us, right? So with that out of the way, let's proceed. Now, what to do once you have a lead magnet, right? It's time to advertise. So if you have an existing audience, offer them your lead magnet. You may also want to consider when and where to advertise. So, for example, a discount and or free inspection could potentially be a great offer after an event like a flood or a storm, right? So when a lot more people have water damage, right? So people to whom you're marketing are critical. Make sure you go after the right people on the right platforms. Now, when it comes to platforms, you can use either Facebook. Now, info lead magnets do great on Facebook. Advertising on the platform during certain parts of the year when your services are more in demand than usual also tends to work very well. Just know that people on Facebook need to be disrupted during their scrolling in order to have your attention, because people are mindlessly scrolling on social media. I suppose you all know that. So you have to really disrupt them to get their attention. So you can use, you can lead with the hook, something catchy to get their attention in the first sentence, or with an image or a video, and then just get straight to the point. So that is how Facebook ads work. Good Facebook ads should work. Now, another platform is Google. Now, Google is our favorite for marketing, specifically restoration services, because you're going to be utilizing intent marketing. So what this means is that you're going to be marketing to people who are already actively searching for your specific service. So that means that you don't have to do a lot of selling to these people, because they already know that they need your service because they're already searching for it, right? So think of searches like water damage restoration service in, let's say, a random city, Miami, Florida. So somebody searching for that keyword, you can guess pretty accurately that they are in the need of a water damage restoration service somewhere in Miami, Florida, right? Or anywhere near Miami, Florida. So Google is, in our opinion, #1 platform for you to market on as a restoration company. You can check out 2 of our videos, both for SEO, which is basically ranking on the top of like organic search results, so normal top 10 search results, right? And also paid advertising on Google. So make sure to check out those 2 videos out. And yeah, let's move on with the video. With the next question is where to send this traffic. It's recommended to keep the page you're sending traffic to relevant to the ad, right? So if you're advertising water damage repair services with a discount as an incentive, send people to a page talking about your water damage repair service only, right? So in our video about water damage, how to create a restoration website, we have discussed, like, you can also check out that video as well. We have discussed that you should have a page for each of your services. So not only is this helpful to the user, but also search engines tend to rank these websites higher because it's structured well, and it also offers better user experience, this kind of structure. So you should send people talking about your specific to pages talking about your specific offer. So that is the main thing you should understand. So in the case of info marketing, send people to landing page again, a page relevant to exactly what you're offering, where they can claim your free product by entering their email address. Now, landing pages are as important as the ads. So if the landing page is not relevant to the ad, your bounce rate will be huge and your conversion rate small. So bounce rate, for those of you who don't know, is a percentage of people who have clicked from your site, like immediately upon visiting it, from a total like number of visitors, right? So hope that makes sense. So you generally want your bounce rate to be as low as possible. All right, so let's move on to the follow-ups. Once you have people in your ecosystem, it's important to follow up with them pretty quickly. So if you're building an email list with email marketing, make sure to build a follow-up sequence that will be sent to your leads so upon their subscription to your email list. People who have discovered you through an info product may need more information from you to be sold onto your business. All right, so this is a topic for itself. Make sure to subscribe because we plan on publishing a video specifically about email marketing and why email marketing is important and all of that stuff. All right, so make sure to subscribe to stay notified of when we upload that video. Now, in case your goal is to get phone calls, which probably is, right, follow up with any missed calls fast. This is especially important because you're selling emergency services, and a lot of people who are calling on the phone will probably need assistance like right away, right? So make sure that you're following up with your missed calls fast. And hope this video was helpful to you. Now, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you need more help, again, make sure to join our Facebook group and schedule a consultation. A written version of this content will be available in the description below as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just join our Facebook group, ask in the comments, or just straight up schedule a consultation call. Thank you for watching again, and have a great day. Bye-bye.